What's poppin'? So today, as you can see, I need to dye my hair again. So my brother was supposed to do it, then he left. My mom was supposed to do it. She doesn't feel like it. So I'm gonna do it. We're doing a soft pink lavender-ish type color. This right here. Yep. Oh, I'm out of breath. So, yeah, we're gonna get right into that right now. So first, we take our BW2 bleach right here. You know what I mean? Oh. Safety first. Put your gloves on. Now, you take your BW2 bleach. Oh, you know what? Sally's be taxing because this right here, we're gonna be using this too for your developer because I need to do it quick. But Sally's be taxing because that was $5 and at the beauty supply store in Georgia it's $3. So scam. But anyway, we're gonna take, cause I ain't got no hair. We're only gonna do 1 scoop. Put it in our little bowl. Come on. 1 scoop, put it in our bowl. And I decided to get all new stuff because I didn't think that you could take like bleach and developer on a plane. I just didn't want to risk it. So I just didn't. Now we're gonna take our Clairol Pure White in 40 volume developer. Pour that in there until it's like, I don't know, I just pour, then I stop and I mix it to see, how it's doing. But I'm gonna show you in a second the consistency that it should be at. I have a towel. And I changed my shirt because the other shirt I liked a lot and this one I don't really care about. So. Word to the wise, don't be like me. It's quite irresponsible. Always put the top back on this because it'll like, I don't know, like the oxygen mixes with it and doesn't work as well or something like that. But whatever. So anyway, this is the consistency that it should be at. Yeah, like that. So I'm gonna just tilt that up a little bit so y'all can see the top of my head. And if you've watched my other videos, you're gonna slide that thing on there and brush in the direction of your waves. But yeah, I did my lashes myself. Y'all like them? Thanks. That hurt. Oh, wow, that hurt. You have no idea what just happened, but that hurt. I don't know what it was, but it hurt a lot. So we're just not gonna do that anymore. It looks like I have a shower cap on my head, but here we are. And yeah, so we're just gonna leave this on for like 15, 20 minutes or until it's blonde, whichever comes first. So come on, let's focus in. Here we are. I forgot that I can't get my eyelashes wet, so we're gonna figure out how we're gonna rinse this out without getting my eyelashes wet. Please don't roast me in the comments. Please don't. I'll cry. I won't. But yeah. So this is the color that we're at, and I'm gonna go try to rinse it out. So here we are. As you can tell, there are some patches. So what we're gonna do is bleach it again and get rid of the patches and hope my hair don't fall out. Hello, Mom. Here we are. Oh. We are bright. If we are bright, we are the sun. So my scalp burns, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna go rinse this out. Okay, so my hair is white in some spots, yellow in some spots. My my wave pattern changed. It loosened, which, you know, makes sense, but it wasn't intentional. It's because I bleached my hair twice with 40 volume developer. If I bleached my hair twice with 30 volume developer, my curl pattern probably wouldn't have changed at all. Because usually it doesn't. But it did. So, hurts. But don't start commenting under my videos that I use a kit, because I don't. I just like my hair in different colors. And this was an accident. So leave me alone. Thanks. Anyway, and I already had my waves popping even before I bleached my hair. So don't do me. Anyway. Yeah, we're gonna tone it now because it's still a little too yellowy in some spots. It's like white in some spots, but it's also yellowy in some spots. And I just want it to be even, you feel me? Yeah, so we're gonna go in with our Wella Color Charm, whatever, in T18. That's like an ash blonde, and that's what I'm on. So what you're supposed to do is pour this whole thing. Yeah. All right. And then get your 20 volume developer. Don't matter what the brand is, really don't matter, they are the same thing. This was just cheaper, so this is what I got. And you pour it in there. This is so that you can get an exact like 2 parts, you know?
Hey viewers, tell her to leave her hair that color.
I was gonna say that I want to leave my hair this color, but I decided on pink, so I'm doing pink. I'll leave my hair this color another time, period. And then you're just gonna do like the same thing, fill the bottle up and then pour it in there. You just do that twice. So now we just mix that up, mix it all together. But that's what it looks like. Yeah, it looked kind of nasty to me. I can't remember what it is. If you know what I'm talking about, like if you know got a mind like me, you feel me? And you know what I'm thinking that I can't explain right now that this thing look like, please say it down below, because I don't know what it is, but it looked like something. I can't put my finger on it. I can't remember what it's called, but I see it in my head. You feel me? You feel me? So read my mind real quick for me, please. Thank you. All right, so now, you know, just like with the bleach, we're gonna slap it on our head. You feel me? And slap. Oh no! Okay. Yeah, so just do that, and then, oh! And oh! So, we're purple. And we're gonna rinse it out. I already see the color. My face burns, my scalp burns, but hey, it's okay. Anything for, you know, beauty, I guess. But here's our color right now. I like this. I do. But we're still doing pink. So, last step. Throw this out. I'm gonna take our soft lavender. Pour that guy in here. You see the color that's coming out though? Like, that's not the same as what's on the box, but okay, I guess. I don't want to be ugly. Oh, I want it to look brown. Why does it look brown? Oh my god. Why does it look brown? It looks brown. Yo, why does it look brown? Why does it look brown? It's brown. It's brown. It's brown. I'm so scared. I'm gonna cry. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is it brown? Why is it brown? I'm gonna assume that's brown because it's like a clearish kind of thing going on. And then, you know, oh, I'm so scared. I'm gonna do like a drop. We're gonna, please, please don't let me look crazy. Please don't let me look crazy. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just doing a little bit. We're gonna do a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Just a little bit right there. Yep. Okay. And I'm just gonna put some more. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, it's definitely because of the black bowl. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Y'all, I'm so scared. Cause this is a cute color. Y'all, let's go. Let's do this. No going back now. Now it's on. That definitely is not that color. But okay. We're just gonna keep going. Because, you know, no turning back now. Ooh, let me put this conditioner on the perimeter of my head. Alright, so it did come out pink, but is it the pink on this bottle? No, it is not. Not at all. Not at all. But it's okay. It's okay. We're not upset. This is nice too. So I'll be back whenever I rinse it out and stuff to show y'all the final results. So, boom. So it is now 3:07 in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going on a cruise tomorrow. We're leaving the house at 8 a.m. I'm driving. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So, remember how I said I was doing pink? This is not pink. It is this. This is but it's still pretty. I really like it still. My hair is really not laid down at all. I forgot to do the little outro or whatever, so I'm doing it now. Because I was really just about to, you know, go to sleep. But then I was like, oh. So, yeah, I'm trying to talk low because like people were sleeping. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Because period. And yeah, and make sure you guys check out my other videos too.